Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a group chat in Instagram on your app and mobile. So here I am on my phone right now, and I'm gonna head over to my Instagram app, and then head over to the top right corner of the chats, and then click on the top right button over here to create a new message. And all you need to do to create a chat group is to pick multiple people. So let's find multiple people to add over to our. Okay, I'm just gonna be picking famous celebrities here, figures, and then as you can see on the bottom down, you can see the create group chat, and your group chat is immediately created with one click of a button. It's that simple. Unfortunately for me, these are famous celebrities, so they won't be able to be really a part of the group chat. So make sure it's your friends or followers that you know. Thank you for watching. That is how you create a group chat in Instagram on your app. This was Generation Unravel saying bye bye.